In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can invite someone to your Adsense account. You can simply add another email to access your Adsense account in just few simple steps. To do this, open up any browser. It can either be Chrome extension on your desktop. On your Adsense homepage, tap on these three lines. Select the option of account just down below. Then tap on Access and Authorization. Select the option of User Management. You will have to tap on Add New User right here. Enter their email and tap on Invite User. The user must have a verified Google account which isn't already associated with an existing Adsense account. They will have to accept the invitation to have access to your Adsense account. That's how easy it is to add another email or user to your Adsense account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.